How to fix the missing microphone voice input on your keyboard. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can fix an issue that lot of Android users run into, the missing microphone voice input on your keyboard. Now let's get right into it and fix this once and for all. First, open any messaging app you use like Notes, WhatsApp, Messenger, or whichever one you prefer. And once you have opened the app, bring up your keyboard and you will see icon for things like stickers, GIFs, clipboard. Now, to solve the issue of missing microphone voice input, tap on the app's icon shown on the left side of the keyboard. And after that, a menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on settings and you will be prompted to the keyboard settings. And once you are there, simply scroll down and tap on voice typing. Here you will see an option called use voice tapping, and if it is turned off, just toggle it on. And after turning it on, go back to your keyboard and you will notice that the microphone icon is on the right side of the keyboard and is now active. And that's it. You have successfully fixed the missing microphone voice input on your keyboard. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.